जन्मस्थली मिथिला जकर नाम अछि, श्री राम के आगमन भेल जतौ, मिथिला हमर शान अछि। A very warm and highly good evening to all the respected chief guests and honorable judges. This is me, Anisha Kumari, standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on the topic of my Mithila. So without any delay, let me give you clarity of my peculiar identity. Geographically, Mithila region extends into southeastern Tarai of Nepal, which was also known as Tirabhuti, the ancient name of Tirahut. The native language of Mithila is Maithili. Mithila region is specifically mentioned in Ramayana, as it is known as the birthplace of goddess Sita, the wife of Lord Ram. Not only this much, Mithila region is also mentioned in Buddhist Jatakas and other epics and Purans such as Mahabharata and Ramayana. According to Satapatha Brahmana, a chieftain named Videha Mathawa migrated from Saraswati Valley to Mithila in Vedic period and established Videha kingdom. Therefore, all the kings who ruled here in ancient time either adopted the title as a Videha or Janaka. Mithila is full of so many unique tradition, cultures and religions. The traditional dress of Mithil men is dhoti, kurta and Mithila painting wooded maroon colored gamcha, which is the symbol of love, passion, bravery and courage. They also put on pag on their head, which is the symbol of respect and honor. The traditional dress that Mithil women wear is sari, which is not just a piece of cloth but the pride, prosperity and prestige of a Hindu woman. Mithila is famous for Mithila painting, which is created by using natural dyes and pigments. Mithila is famous for Jhijia dance, which is the flock dance of Mithila, that is not only identified by UNESCO but also is the perfect example of inclusiveness, where the girls, either from rich family or poor family, take part in dance by carrying earthen pots which contains lots of holes and candle is also lighted in it. Mithila is famous for its unique customs and tradition. You must have seen people worshipping rising sun, but tell me, have you ever seen people worshipping setting sun? You'll find it in Mithila. Have you ever seen transgender being respected in any society? You'll find it in Mithila. Have you ever tasted Mithila cuisine, which is the unique and cultural style of cooking that includes super delicious food items including tilkor, adori, tarua, etc. Mithila is famous for its cultural and natural beauty. The Grand Ram Janaki temple situated at the center of the city attracts lots of visitors each year. Janaki temple dedicated to goddess Sita, that's present in Mithila. Jaleshwar Nath Mahadev dedicated to Lord Shiva, that's present in Mithila. And huge and famous lake Ganga Sagar, that's also present in Mithila. The cultural and natural beauty of Mithila is super glorious and gorgeous that can never be explained in words. However, lastly, I want to share you my personal experience that I was brought up outside the Mithila, and I used to think that Mithila is a pathetic and superstitious place. But do you know, when I explored Mithila, I found that all this culture that exists in Mithila has a scientific reason behind it. You're seeing me putting on tika on my forehead, and do you know, there is a scientific reason. Actually, this is the acupressure point where I have put on tika, and that will control my blood pressure and the stress level the whole day. Lastly, I just want to convey one message to all of you Mithil that whenever anyone teases you by calling dhoti or by calling madhesi, don't get angry on it, and also don't feel ashamed of it. In fact, stand confidently and say them proudly with your smile. Dhoti hamar saan chhai, Mithila chhai sansar, atithi ka pranam karu chhai, Mithil ke sanskar. In the honor of Mithila, I just want to say that Jai Mithila, Jai Nepal.